Hi everyone, it's Heather Lee O'Keefe. I'm your head Lexis Nexis rep on campus and a 3L at NSU Law. In these videos, I'm going to be recapping our Lexis features of the week.
This week's Lexis tip is Lexis for Microsoft Office, or LMO for short. LMO is a tool that will help you with citations and table of authorities. LMO saves you time by completing the most difficult part of any legal writing assignment: shepherdizing, quote checking, correcting citation formats, and building a table of authorities. One of the most time-consuming tasks when completing a brief is creating the table of authorities. Lexis for Microsoft Office will create your table of authorities automatically for you with jurisdictionally specific rules selected in options. To find all of the citations in your document for a TOA, select the Prepare TOA button. Lexis for Microsoft Office is available for PC users and for Mac users. You need to have Microsoft Word installed. Mac users need Word for Mac 2016 installed. PC users can have Word 2007, 2010, 2013, or 2016. Lexis for Microsoft Office will give you a list of citations it extracted from your document. You have the opportunity to change any citation and change the location in the table of authorities of any citation. Once your TOA looks good, place your cursor and document where you want the TOA to be placed, and then select Insert TOA button. Your table of authorities will instantly populate with the jurisdictionally specific options you have chosen in the location that you have chosen. With a couple of clicks, Lexis from Microsoft Office has saved you time and the frustration of completing your own table of authorities. To access and download LMO, click on the resources link on the law school homepage. From the resources page, you'll find the link to download LMO under the Apps and Tools heading. Choose the correct download for the type of computer that you have, Mac or Windows. Once you download LMO, whenever you open a Word document, click on the LexisNexis button on the Word document. Here, you can sign into Lexis, open your document, and LMO will do its magic.
Thank you so much for watching our recap on this week's feature. If you have any further questions, as always, please feel free to reach out to one of your Lexis reps.